The Whiskey Smash is a refreshing cocktail that balances the rich flavor of whiskey with the crispness of lemon and mint, making it perfect for warm weather. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces bourbon whiskey. Use a good quality bourbon for the best flavor. Half lemon, cut into wedges. 4 to 6 fresh mint leaves, plus extra for garnish. 1 ounce simple syrup. Adjust sweetness to taste. Ice. Crushed ice works best. For equipment you will need muddler, cocktail shaker, jigger, strainer, rocks glass. Here are the instructions. Place the lemon wedges and fresh mint leaves into the bottom of the cocktail shaker. Add the simple syrup. Muddle the lemon and mint together to release their juices and oils. Pour in the bourbon whiskey. Fill the shaker with ice and shake vigorously until well chilled. Strain the mixture into a rocks glass filled with crushed ice. Garnish with a sprig of fresh mint and a lemon wheel or wedge. The Whiskey Smash is a versatile cocktail that dates back to the 1880s. It's essentially a julep in cocktail form, making it quick and easy to prepare.